everybody, it's a work-from-home edition of Dad Style. Today we're making a little French press coffee. Start by scooping your coffee into the French press. I used 2 scoops of the little plastic scoop that came with my press. Next, pour in a little hot water and let the coffee bubble for a few seconds. I heard about this from some real coffee hipsters, so let's call this step optional. Now, pour in the rest of your hot water and fill the press to the top. Stir the coffee and wait for 4 minutes. My watch has a built-in stopwatch, but you can use your phone if you want. After 4 minutes, stir the coffee again, put on the lid, and press down gently on the plunger. If you forget to stir, it will be a little hard to press. Now pour your coffee into a big mug and enjoy. Make sure to pour it all out. If you leave some behind, it'll get too strong. Well, that's it for today's Dad Style. Remember, everybody, if you're going to work from home, at least have some good coffee.